In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance points effectively, exploring what they are, how you can earn them, and how to maximize their overall value. Let's dive into the benefits of this loyalty system and make sure you're getting the most out of your participation. First, let's cover what Binance points actually are. Binance points are a part of a loyalty and rewards system designed to encourage and reward your participation within the Binance ecosystem. You can earn these points through various means, such as completing tasks, playing games, joining campaigns, and much more. One important thing to note is that you cannot purchase these points outright. They must be earned through your activities on the platform. They don't have any direct cash value, and you won't be able to exchange them straight for cash. Keep in mind the nature of points expiration as well. They typically expire about a year from when they are earned, moving on a first-in, first-out basis. So, it's important to keep track to ensure none of your hard-earned points go to waste. Now, let's move on to how you can earn these Binance points. You'll find there are several ways to accumulate them. One of the simplest ways is by taking advantage of the daily login and check-in features. By simply logging into your account on a daily basis, you can start stacking those points. Additionally, Binance offers mini-games and educational quizzes, such as the Word of the Day game. These provide a fun way to learn while also earning. Completing missions and challenges is another effective method. These could include monthly challenges, trading volume challenges, or even special promotions that adapt over time. The Rewards Hub is your central place to explore all the tasks available in your region and based on your eligibility, ensuring you have all the opportunities to rack up your points. Now that we've discussed how to earn them, let's talk about how to use these points wisely and maximize their value. To redeem your points, navigate to your profile and enter the Rewards Hub, then head to the Rewards Shop. Here you can use your points to claim a variety of rewards, including vouchers, token rewards, gift cards, and more. Among these, vouchers are particularly popular. They might come in forms such as trading fee rebates or token vouchers that you can redeem within your Binance account. It's crucial to choose your rewards carefully, weighing the benefits you'll receive against the points cost. Some rewards might look appealing, but may have a short expiry or offer lower value. Always keep an eye on the expiration dates of your points. It's wise to use your older points first to avoid losing any benefits due to expiry, as they typically expire about a year after being earned. By understanding and implementing these strategies, you can effectively use Binance points to get the most value possible from your activities on the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.